Hi, welcome to Tutusfunny channel. In our last class, we saw the auto increment part of the doctor. We already saw, right? So in this class, I'm going to teach how to add the records. So this is a save button. Double click on this. Here, I'm going to add the record. So this is a double OP concept. So how to work with the double OP? So here, this is the doctor. We have a doctor DTO we have created, right? So here you can see the doctor detail. So you have to go here. Here's a doctor detail, right? So after that, we have created a right. So what you're going to do is here, right? So here this is doctor detail. Okay, this you have to record is we have set it to the this DTO format. So when you add the record, we have set it to the DTO format, right? So we have a which you're going to do is here. First you have to call to doctor DTO. You have to create a class doctor equal new doctor detail. Select this one, click on this, import this detail here. This one. After that, you have to open and close the bracket like this. Okay, right? You have to work like this, right? So let me check it. Right. So what you're going to do is after that, right? You have to implement the contract. Now here first what you are going to do is you have to implement the get and set method. Okay, you have to implement the get and set method, right? So how to implement it here? First one is a we have to write it. This is a text box first name. So you have to write it here. Get the first name. ID should be auto name increment. We don't need a get text. We'll get the get text method. Or the second one should be the last name. So you get the last name dot get text. Third one should be the email. So email also you have to get it as a dot get text. After that, email you have set it as a lower case, right? So you have to write a lower case. Stream it. This is the efficient way to store the email address database dot to lowercase right? You write like this. So after that, we have another field which is a this gender, right? So this one should be the gender com gender. Copy this name dot get selected item dot toString, comma the final one should be the specialization. Copy this txt specialization sp that short form you write like this dot get text. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. So what is the problem? String cannot be converted as a gender type. Right, gender type. What's the problem here? Yeah, it will be asked it. We have changed the order. That's the problem. You have to write gender type. You have to write the gender type. Combo box this name. Not get selected item. We have to. This is not gender. This is gender type. So you have to write this gender type. Right? It's automatically it works. You have to select the change the order. So I have order. I have changed here. This order the database is there.
specialization gender here, the specialization and gender, right? So you have to have changed the order. Had a problem with this here, so the here I have little bit changed, that is specialization gender, right? Okay, so I have changed it like this: first name, last name, email, specialization, gender. Okay, I have changed it, right? So it's come like this earlier, right? So I just change it, cut off here, paste it over here. After that, again I am going to this all the line and get and set method. That's why I got some error. So you have to write select all, generate, generate, select all, none, generate. After that, you have to write get and set method, select all, right? That's the thing you have to write. And now what you're going to do is, I'm going to add the data.
Now, first I'm going to establish the database connection. So you have to go to this one connection object. You have to write it over here. After that, what you're going to do is you have to write the auto-generated part. So you have to write string doctor ID. We already done the auto-generated part. Get the ID over here in level last tutorial, the generated doctor ID. Copy it, paste it over here. Right. Now you have what you're going to do is here doctor ID. So sorry, we have to get out of this one, not here. Right. So yeah, it's not error. It asks to implement the try and catch. So you have to write sound of the try and catch here. Here you would get those things. Little bit make easier. So the prepare statement. Okay, skill right. To implement the SQL package, so prepared statement. PR you have to write PR. You have to write PST. You have to write PST. You have to write connection. This connection object dot prepare statement. So you have to write that. So write insert code. Insert code you have to write this one. What are the columns here? First name, last name, email, specialization, gender. You have to write the same like this. Okay, here. First name insert into doctor. So into doctor. Doctor you have to write here. ID, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, email, comma, specialization. But the same thing specialization. Here we have got a specialization spelling. Go the field name, specialization. Right. After that, we have to write a nothing is a gender. Gender. That's the thing. You have to write gender. Right. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. After that, what you're going to do is here gender pst dot set string one. First one should be the this user ID. Generated doctor ID. Second one should be second is a okay, this is a doctor dot get first name. This here. Second one is doctor dot last name. Third one is you set all the fields, okay, here the as a construct, right? So third one should be this. Fourth one is a doctor get text email. Fourth one is a doctor get specialization. Fifth one is a doctor get you're right, get gender, get gender dot you're right name. You're right like this. You get a name mean we have a name we have to insert get gender, right? So that's how we have to have the record. So id, first name, last name, email, and all the things, right? Now we'll be write that, write it over here, int save equal the pst dot execute update, that call this method at the record. So write if save not equal 0 to option pan dot show message dialog. So write this message I am going to give as recorded, right? Else failed. Right, that's it. That's the thing out, right? Now let's check it. John, Sam, John at gmail.com. Mail specialization as a something like cardiology, right? Something like. Click save button. I had a problem with the right here. We have to do another thing is we haven't do it the values. That's the problem. Values. The fifth one question mark, second, third, fourth, fifth question. We have to write it over here. Now what you're going to see another one is we have to make this one as a go over here, gender type. It's a male. This one's a female. Now you have to again going to run it. Again, what's the problem? Here I ran into the problem with the enums. Enum cannot, you have to enum, you have to convert as a string. So this is a enum. So that's a problem. So what you're going to do is I have create one function private static gender type, right? It's a string. Okay, what is the argument are coming here? We have to convert them, right? Gender type. So you have to write gender type here. So gender type, you have to get the gender type, you have to get it equal ignore case string. It return as string. You have to convert them. After convert them, this one here we have set a string set selected gender type string here gender get items. After that, this get type equal this one. This method you have to call it. You have to put it over here. What's the value you are selected on the uh, combo box, it will be coming here, male or female. It will be convert as a string. If you call this here, it will convert as a string. Then you have to pass it here, the gender type. After that, you have to call this convert value here. That's how we have working. So you have to insert the value. That's all not here. So doctor, right. So yeah, I'm going to address Peter, James, Peter at gmail.com. It's a male or female. You have female. Specialization cardio. Deal. Right. Click save. Record edit. Right. You can see the edit record. Where here you can go here. The second record has been edited here. Right. Perfect. It's working perfect. Okay. The problem is there. Right. So here we have to, what the things you have to do it. This is the enum type. So that we have to convert as a enums type. The combo box which will be written as a string type. That's why take the error. So we have to convert them in Java. So we can't directly convert. We have to convert. We have to make it as a one method, static method, gender type. Here gender type format you have to write here. So you have to write gender type you have to write like this is a format, right? Don't worry, this is all the source code I provide you. After that, what the data you have selected on the combo box, it will be assigned the variable here. This variable you have to pass it here, right? This variable you have to get it and store the data here. That's why, right? Perfect. I hope you guys understood the things well. Thank you for watching.